We are day 3. They have the flooring in. The border is, some of it is down. They still have to put the baseboard back in here, as you can see. But for the most part, we have floors again. So this is Isaac's room. So this is where we are so far in here. They still have to put the closet doors back up. And as I showed last night, the flooring is down where around the hot water heater. And in the bathroom, they just have to come back in and put everything else back up. Why they put the bike in here, I don't know. Maybe it was in their way. But there's a closet again in the hallway. They still have to put these doors back up. But here we are in the middle room. Of course, again, the baseboards still have to be put back in. They have reinstalled the closet doors in here and moved all the furniture that was in here into one corner. These doors came off of the closet in Isaac's room. Again, baseboards in the hallway need to be replaced on all the walls. But the living room is pretty much done. They have reinstalled the border in here. This is the kitchen, the dining room. All this is done. I'm guessing they went out the back door because these leaves weren't here before. This is more stuff. And I'm guessing I'm going to have to be the one to dispose of this sink. But there's some more material. They've reinstalled the doors in the laundry room and put new border down in here. So this is day 3 of what's been done so far. Hopefully tomorrow will be completely finished like they promised. So this is day 3 update. I'll talk to you soon.